Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get $5 using the invite feature on Cash App. First, open Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account and that your account is fully set up with your correct details. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Wait for the next page to load. After that, look for the option called Invite Friends and tap on it. Now you will see different ways to invite someone. You can enter your friend's phone number or email directly into the provided field. You can also tap on the share button at the top right corner. This allows you to send your invite link through any platform you prefer, like messaging apps or social media. When your friend receives the invite, they need to click your link and download Cash App if they do not already have it. During the sign-up process, your referral code will be applied automatically if they used your link. After signing up, the new user must link a bank account or a debit card to their account. Next, they need to send $5 or more to another user. They can send it to you or to someone else. This must be completed within 14 days of signing up. Once all the steps are done correctly, both you and your friend will receive $5 in your Cash App balance. Thanks for watching.